Electric charge. This is most obvious when we see lightning. A thundercloud can be made up of several layers of positive and negatively charged water particles. This creates layers of positive and negative charged vapor. It's not just clouds that hold an electric charge. From the ground up, every water vapor particle holds a charge. The water particles in the air increases in voltage by 100 volts to 500 volts per meter. The Kelvin water dropper experiment can produce thousands of volts with just running water. This shows the true potential power of the vapor in our air. Each water particle is at varying states of charge. The larger the particle, the larger the potential charge. When the sun is out, it drives the system through convection. Also, as with solar charges used to make electricity from the sun, it alters the state of charge in each particle. When the sun sets, and the wind is at low speed, the particles will settle into layers due to each particle's charge state. The same as in the clouds. The yellow line could be a layer of negatively charged water particles. In this case, it's negatively charged pollen. This will attract and create another layer of positive vapor. Each individual layer magnifies in different ways, as we can see in this sunrise. As we observe the turbines in the foreground, the bottom section is compressed, distorted, and magnified. As the turbine blades reach the top, they are magnified and stretched. Each layer changes the optics of what we see. We do not see curvature in our everyday lives. What we see is ruled by perspective. Simply, it's objects looking smaller the further away they are. With particles of water in the air acting as a lens. The rise and setting of the sun we see is the optical effect of the atmosphere. When moisture is high, we see a larger sun or moon rising and falling. When the sun moves away, it looks the same size, due to the lensing effect of each layer. When there is little moisture in the air, the sun and moon reduce in size as they move away. If you look into this with an open mind, you will soon realize that living on this ball, with a surface of mostly water, is impossible.